It is honored to be identified as one of the top performing companies for the STPI IT Exports Awards in the category High Growth in Exports, where exports are between 100 to 1000 crores. Over the last 5 years, LTI's Bengaluru STPI office has seen a consistent growth of more than 90% due to collaborative efforts and friendly policies of the government. I would also like to congratulate Mr. Shailendra Kumar Tyagi, Director STPI Karnataka, and his entire team for amazing collaboration with STPI companies for a robust performance during the year 1920.
Hello everyone. On behalf of the entire Walmart Global Tech India team, I would like to thank STPI for conferring these prestigious awards on us and for believing in the work that we do. As a team, we are focused on saving our customers money so that they can live better. These awards reflect our commitment to our values of service to the customer and striving for excellence. We are very focused on building a diverse and inclusive workforce and on creating opportunities for all our associates. These awards from STPI are a great recognition of our outstanding work, and I would like to thank STPI once again for believing in our mission and for recognizing the work that we're doing. I would also like to take this opportunity to congratulate everyone in Walmart Global Tech India for this outstanding achievement, and I would like to thank them all for their hard work. Thank you, everyone.
Delighted to receive such a prestigious award on behalf of all our 17,000 employees of LTTF. Our Mysore location is special. It is one of our oldest campuses, which is high-tech engineering, employees in hardware and software engineering, around 3,000 engineers working there. We're also building 2 new buildings coming up in the campus, which is going to cater to close to 1,500 additional engineers working in these new technology areas again. We are expanding the facility. We are very happy to be in Mysore. I think the campus is wonderful. Our engineers, a lot of innovation happens in Mysore. For example, the number of patents we have filed today in the company, major patents comes from Mysore campus. I'm happy to share with you. LTTS will continue to contribute to the growth of Indian technology sector. And I thank Government of India for this distinguished award. Thank you.
It is a great pride moment to Cyient for getting recognized by STPI Karnataka under the category of highest exporter in electronic hardware Tier 2 and Tier 3 regions. Cyient Design-Led Manufacturing, in short, Cyient DLM, is a leading player in design, development and manufacture of electronic and mechanical assemblies in Mysore, Bangalore and Hyderabad with a total area of 340,000 square feet. As an end-to-end engineering partner to our esteemed customers, Cyient follows the strategy of design-led manufacturing in bringing customer products to marketplace. Cyient brings rich domain expertise and expertise to build solutions with our electronic manufacturing services. Over the last 28 years, we helped our customers on-time deliveries and quality, and at the same time, we ensured that we are a manufacturing destination for high mix, high tech, low to medium volume requirements. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of my associates for their commitment and support, and also to our customers and suppliers whom we call them as our partners. And last and but not the least, the investors who are with us in our journey. Without their faith and support, we would not have been here where we are today. I once again thank STPI for this great recognition. Thank you very much.
I'm proud to accept these 2 awards on behalf of Standard Chartered Global Business Services and all its Bangalore employees who made this possible. Bangalore has been a recent addition to our growth story, and we've scaled operations rapidly in the past 3 years. From about 1,500 employees across 220,000 square feet to 6,500 employees across 720,000 square feet today, thus fulfilling a vision of creating agile workspaces and transforming and being end-to-end client journey focused with technology operations products all under one roof. Diversity and inclusion is embedded into our DNA. Everyone matters. This, backed with friendly work policies, allows us to hire a diverse and vibrant workforce. We will continue to grow in the coming years across Chennai and Bangalore, thus fulfilling our commitment and brand promise of being here for good.
Hello. We just completed 35 years of operations in India. And from early days, we have enjoyed excellent working relationship with STPI. During the difficult pandemic times, when logistics and operations were put to test across the world, we received great support from STPI Bangalore team. We are thankful for the partnership and are happy to receive the award. We are looking forward for continued strong collaboration. I am Santosh Kumar, Managing Director of Texas Instruments India. Thank you.
Namaste, I am Premlila Bhatt, Chairperson at Manipal.net Private Limited. We are delighted to note that STPI has recognized our company MDN for high growth in women employment. Being a woman myself, I understand the need for technically well-qualified women to find a satisfying job close to home, be in their parents' home or their husbands. A job that is technically challenging and at the same time flexible enough to meet their multiple responsibilities to their families. This has been the prime motivation for us to start our company MDN to create technically challenging jobs in rural Karnataka to assist our employees meet both their career and family objectives. Good work with good intention won't go futile. This is God's will. Thanks to STPI for recognizing and awarding our prime objectives. I now invite Mrs. Lata Prabhu, one of our earliest women employees, to speak on behalf of all our women employees. Jai Hind. Over to Lata Prabhu.
Hello everyone. I am a software developer at Manipal.net since 14 years. Right from the beginning, I have been a work from home employee, which is a privilege for which I am grateful to Manipal.net. Employee-friendly policies at Manipal.net has enabled me to balance my professional commitments and my personal life. Thank you STPI for recognizing our contributions.
Good evening, everyone. My name is George Anasu, and I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Fidelity National Financial India. It is an honor to receive this award from STPI, and on behalf of FNF India, I'd like to thank you for this award that you've given us. FNF India has taken an active role in women employment and empowerment, and over the years, we've tried to do our best to hire more women employees, and today I'm proud to say that FNF India has over 35% of our employees who are women. It was not like this a few years ago, and we've taken a conscious effort to hire women into leadership roles as well as into roles that would allow them to get started in their careers. And today I know that our efforts have not proven futile. We've continued to grow as an organization, and I'd like to thank every woman in our organization who has contributed to making FNF India what it is today. Once again, thank you STPI for giving us this award, and at this time like this where COVID has put a lot of families and businesses in trouble, we appreciate and thank STPI for all the support that has been provided to us. And we continue to look forward to many more successful years operating under the STPI and continuing to grow our business here in India. Thank you.
Hi everyone, we are extremely delighted on receiving the Pride Award for the year 2019-20. On this occasion, I take this opportunity to thank the STPI team for the continued focus, support and guidance to the industry, especially during this pandemic. Thank you so much and my best wishes.
Namaskar. It gives me great pleasure and honor to accept the IT Pride of Karnataka 2019 award conferred to us, Intel India. Our sincerest thanks for this special recognition to STPI. Intel India has been on a journey for the last 20 plus years, trying to build innovation, invention, customized solution for India and for the world. In this journey, STPI has been a great partner. My special thanks to Dr. Omkar Rai as well as Shri Shailendra Tyagi and your entire teams. We could not have done this, what we have done so far, without your help and your team's tremendous support. More so, during this pandemic, it has been very hard to continue the business as usual. But thanks to you and your team, we have delivered products, we have delivered complete products to the market, and our design has continued as if there was no hiccup. And we would not have been able to do without you. I must tell you, as Intel India and me, we have big dreams. But in my big dreams, I trust partners like you. With partners like you, my dream was no longer big. It is very accomplishable because I count on the support from you. Thank you very much, STPI. I am truly honored to accept this award on your behalf. Thank you.
Namaskara everyone. I am Kavita Gopal and I am the location leader for JP Morgan for the Bangalore site. I am extremely honored to receive this recognition from the Software Technology Parks of India on behalf of the firm. This year, incidentally, JP Morgan celebrates its 75th glorious year of its presence in India, as well as our 15th year anniversary of our Bangalore Corporate Center, which I am a part of. We set up our Bengaluru Corporate Center in 2005, and through the course of the years, we've gone from strength to success. I'd like to once again thank the Software Technology Park of India, as well as our peers and this beautiful city for having been such an integral part of our growth and success journey, as well as our legacy. Thank you once again.
Hi, I'm Debashish Chatterjee, CEO and MD of Mindtree. On behalf of all of Mindtree, I am really pleased to accept the IT Pride of Karnataka FY 1920 award from STPI as part of their IT Export Awards. Mindtree is proud to be part of the STPI ecosystem in Karnataka and appreciates the support that STPI has provided to us. This recognition is also a testament of Mindtree's sustained performance and vision for growth in the future. Thank you for bestowing this honor upon us. We will continue with our growth story, contributing to development of Karnataka and making India Atmanirbhar.
Namaskara, this is Srini Madari, Vice President of Engineering, Qualcomm India Hardware Lead. A warm welcome to the esteemed members of STPI and the guests. Qualcomm started its operations under STPI Bangalore in 2004. Since then, Qualcomm's operations in Bangalore have grown multifold from chip design to IP development, hardware systems and R&D. Qualcomm India is a key contributor to Qualcomm's business strategy. Qualcomm is playing a key role in driving India's wireless revolution by making mobile communications widely accessible and affordable. As we lead the world in 5G, we envision this next big change in cellular technology, spurring a new era of intelligent connected devices and enabling new opportunities in remote education, remote healthcare, IoT, and smart cities. STPA's focus on ease of doing business and support to evolving needs of the business has helped many organizations, including Qualcomm. Most recently, STPA's prompt response to COVID-19 pandemic situation, ensuring no disruption to the business, is commendable. We look forward to the leadership of STPI further enabling the software and hardware ecosystems in India to achieve greater heights. On behalf of Qualcomm India, it is a great honor for me to receive this award, the IT Pride of Karnataka 2019-20. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. So every year we have been waiting, for the month of November to come because the awards from STPI are generally announced around this time. We're always excited to participate in this award function and more excited if you're part of the receiving awards. So this year we are part of that, so we're very happy and excited about it. We thank STPI, from the bottom of our heart for awarding Robert Bosch Software Solutions as the IT Pride of Karnataka. This is a very special feeling for us at Bosch because we have been wanting to get this award for a long time, and we have been getting this award also every now and then. So we really thank and appreciate STPI for motivating the associates of this company and all of us, the management at this company, in bestowing this award on Robert Bosch Software. We are very happy to winning this award as the IT Pride of Karnataka. It's a matter of great pride. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for this award. ನಾವೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಭಾರತದ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಯಾಮ್ಸಂಗ್ಗೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಅಂತ ಪುರಸ್ಕಾರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ, ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿ. ಮತ್ತು ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಯಾಮ್ಸಂಗ್, ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಇಕೋಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್, ದ ಪೊಲೀಸ್, ದ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್, even during lockdown we got so much support from the Bangalore ecosystem. And our engineers, this Bangalore is their karma bhumi, so they came together at the right time and had no impact on our business. We did very well this year also. Thanks to everyone. Thanks especially to STPI, Government of Karnataka, and of course Government of India. Thank you.
We at SAP are extremely honored to receive the IT Pride of Karnataka 2019-2020 award in the category of exporters greater than rupees 2,000 crores up to rupees 10,000 crores. Now, on behalf of the entire management here at SAP and all our employees of SAP, I want to thank the Software Technology Parks of India, Government of India, for bestowing this award on us. Now, SAP Labs chose Bengaluru as our location way back in 1998 to set up our development facility. We were among one of the early multinational development facilities to set up base here over 22 years ago. Now, over a period of this time, we have expanded our facilities here in Bengaluru. I'm so glad that our leaders back then took the right decision in choosing Bengaluru as the location to set up our development facility in India. In tune with our expansion plans, we have also acquired land near Bengaluru International Airport to set up an additional facility of SAP right there. We look forward to our continued growth and making the right contributions to the society. Thank you so much for the encouragement, support, and cooperation.
Hello everyone, I'm Sunil Deshpande. I'm the head of operations for TCS Bangalore. Tata Consultancy Services is extremely honored, and it's a moment of pride and honor for all of us at TCS Bangalore to receive this year's STPI's IT Pride of Karnataka Award 2019-20. Talking about TCS Bangalore, we have about 24 state-of-the-art facilities within Bangalore, and we have close to 55,000 plus very, very highly skilled IT employees who work for customers across the globe based out of our centers in Bangalore. Some of the world's most reputed organizations who are a part of either BFSI, healthcare, life sciences, high-tech, aerospace, insurance domains have partnered with TCS to grow and scale their businesses. TCS is amongst the world's top IT services organization, and we take immense pride in contributing towards the growth and success of the economy of the state of Karnataka. We worked hard, we thrived hard to ensure we create thousands of jobs for our employees within who are based out of Karnataka or across. And we look forward to the support from Government of Karnataka and Government of India, and TCS will always assure you that we'll walk that extra mile to transform Karnataka and India into a robust and thriving digital economy. Once again, I thank you very much for bestowing this very, very important recognition for our organization, and we are honored to be recognized as IT Pride of Karnataka. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. On behalf of Tech Mahindra, I would like to thank the Software Technology Parks of India for this award. It's indeed a great honor to receive this award. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank STPI for the tremendous support it provided during the initial days of COVID pandemic. The major changes needed in enabling work from home was instrumental in ensuring that the IT industry could continue to deliver world-class services in the new and changed model. Thank you all and wish you a good evening.
Good evening. Thank you for honoring us with the IT Pride of Karnataka Award for 2019-20. We are very excited to be recognized by the STPI organization for our efforts and look forward to growing not only our partnership, but also our presence in the country and state. As the largest R&D center at VMware outside of the United States, we have offices in Bengaluru, Pune, Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai, and Bengaluru and Pune are our STPI sites in India. For the 22 years globally and 14 years here in India, VMware has enjoyed tremendous success in powering the digital journeys for many companies, enterprises, and institutions within and outside the country. Today, India is witnessing a new era of connectivity and development. With 2020 proving to be a significant year of change, we are focused on delivering the digital foundation for an unpredictable world. The talent and business climate in the state of Karnataka is something that we truly appreciate, and the partnership that we have enjoyed with the STPI organization and the government of Karnataka. We look forward to adding more value, not only for the country, but also for the state for many years to come. This is a timely recognition, and during the month of November, happy Kannada Rajyotsava to all, and once again, thank you for the support and the recognition.